Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create a partition and mount it and add it to the entry of /etcfs tab. Let's check it out. Fdisk -L, it will list out all the disk which is present. You can use lsblk. It will also list out all the disk present. So here I am going to take a disk case. So here there is a disk which is free /sd/dev/sdb1 by using fdisk /dev sdb. Hit enter. For creating you have to use n. Let's check out the help command. What are the options are present here? Here you can say toggle boot flag, edit BSD disk label, toggle the DOS compatibility flag, D for delete, which is the main one you have to keep it in mind, D, and L for listing partition tabs. So and then N for creating, and finally W for writing the table to disk and exit. These are the main one. D delete, W write, and then if you want to check out the partition table, P, okay, and then list. You have to keep this in mind. D delete, W write, and L for listing. Okay, L, it will list out all the formats which you can set. Example, if you want to set a particular one, like example, let me tell you LVM, there will be 8E. See, you can see here. So for any other things, like it depends on which kind of partition you required. Okay, let me create a new partition. So let me check it out. By using N, it will ask for primary or extended. I'll go with primary one. It will ask which number of partition, default one it will take. Hit enter. And the first sector, you don't need to worry about the first sector. Hit enter. And then second sector, you should keep it in mind how much GB it is required or what is the usage it is needed. It is needed, so take accordingly. For me, for now, for testing purpose, I'm taking just 2 GB plus 2 G, capital G. Hit enter. And W for writing the partition table. Okay, partition table has been alerted. Okay, so and then you have to give a command partprobe. Hit enter. Okay, and then check out by using fdisk -L whether the disk has been created or not. Here you can see before it was only this one, and now you can see a device boot, start, end, block ID, and a partition. This is the partition which we created just now. Okay. Okay. Now we have to mount that partition. For mounting that partition, you have to add that. Before that, you have to create a file system. For that, you have to by using mkfs.ext4 I'm using ext4, where if you are using ext4 file system, you can increase and reduce the size of the volume, size of that disk. So by using XFS, you will not able to increase the size of the volume, but you will not be able to reduce. That is the main disadvantage in XFS. In ext4, you can both increase and reduce the size of the volume by using sorry dev slash sdb1, which the partition we created now. Yeah, the partition block size inode. Finally, it should be no errors. Okay, once it is done, you can check it out by using /etc /fs tab. The first entry which you have to add is the partition which you have created /dev /sdb1, and then where you want to mount. I'm going to mount in /mnt /test1. Okay, and then you have to give the file system, so ext4 and defaults zero space 0. Okay, I have saved that one. Let's check it out by mounting. If there is any error thrown, there is something we have missed or something we have done wrong. Okay, something is done wrong. We have not created the directory. That is the thing. So we have to change to, we have to create a directory mkdir-p /mnt/test1. Okay, yeah, the directory has been created. Let's try by mounting now. Yeah, it has been successfully mounted. For checking whether it is mounted or not, see, you can check it out whether it has been successfully mounted or not by using just mount grep mnt. Mnt is the directory which I have been put into. Okay, so you can check it out like this. Once you are done, you can restart and check it out. Before that, make sure that you have done each and every step of it, because if you have done or missed some steps, there will be a loss of data, or you will not be able to recover. There are other ways to check it out and resolve the issues, but even though you can make it clean and clear. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.